Let's try together for the first time these Korean hair care products from Tsubaki. I have here the shampoo, the conditioner and the mask from the same range, which is Premium Volume and Repair. And of course, first of all, I will wash my hair with the shampoo because as you see, it's so dirty, it's so dry. It's after hairstyle, it has a lot of hairspray in it, so it definitely needs a good wash. I've already shampooed my hair once and I'm going to apply it one more time because actually I shampoo my hair twice because this way I make sure that my hair is very clean. For the second time, I think one pump is enough. It smells so fresh, it's so light, and I think it cleans very well the hair. As you see, it makes a lot of foam. And you know what? I think that my first impression is that it cleans very well the hair and doesn't leave it so dry. I don't like the shampoos that make my hair so dry after washing, so I think this is a good thing for this product. And of course it needs a little bit more water, but I'm going to the bathroom right now. Next I'm going to use the conditioner, and you know what, actually I wash my hair twice a week, and once a week I use the conditioner and once a week I use the mask. But it doesn't matter what product I use because after washing, first of all, I always like to dry my hair in a towel and then to apply a hydrating product because this way when the hair is not full of water, the products absorb much better in the hair. And because I'm filming this video for you, I will apply both products today. So first of all, the conditioner, and I think I will apply 2 pumps or 3. Let's apply 3 of them because my hair is so dry. Oh my god, it smells so good, so luxury. The texture looks like this. I think it's so light. And I will apply it on my hair, not on the scalp. And because my hair is blonde, is dry, is dehydrated, it usually absorbs so much product. And I usually like more dense products with a more dense texture to say, but I think even though this product has a light texture, you can feel immediately that it hydrates the hair, you know? And because today I will apply the mask as well, I will leave this conditioner for 10 minutes maybe, and I think I will apply more. My hair definitely needs more hydration after the last hairstyle because I usually use a lot of hairspray when I hairstyle my hair, and after hairspray my hair is so dry. And as you see, I spread all the product on the length of the hair, so I'll put it in a bun and leave it for 5-10 minutes. See you in 10 minutes. Actually in 1 second for you. I rinsed my hair very well after the conditioner, and now let's try the mask. But first of all, let's see what is my first impression after using the conditioner. You know what? I think it leaves the hair so soft and it detangles it, you know? I like it. Even though this product is so light, I think it works very well on my hair, on my blonde hair especially. And you know how I know if the product is good or not? When I'm doing like this, if my hair is not tangled, I think the product works. Let's try the mask, finally the mask, because I think I was the most curious, especially for this product, so... oh my god, it smells a little bit like peach. Looks like this. I think it's so light as well because it looks more transparent, like this. Yes, it definitely is more denser than the conditioner, so let's see how it will work. Oh my god, yes, definitely more denser, and of course I think that the mask will work better. It smells so good. I will apply more. And you know what? Because my hair is so dry, I usually don't apply the mask or the conditioner on the scalp, but I apply a little bit here, you know? I don't touch the scalp. I just touch the surface of the hair, you know? A little bit. I don't apply there more product. I usually apply more product on the length of the hair. And I'm usually doing like this, like brushing my hair with my fingers to spread the product very well, to make sure that it's all hair covered with product. And because I'm going to use this mask As a treatment, I will apply more and I will leave it for 30 minutes because usually when I apply the mask, I leave it more. I'm doing a treatment once a week and I make sure that I have 30 minutes, maybe more than 30 minutes for the mask to make sure that my hair is very well nourished and hydrated. Yes, now I think it's very well covered. Look at this. You see how soft it makes the hair? I'll put it in a bun again. So let's see how it feels after 30 minutes. Okay, as you see, my fingers go very easy through the hair, so this is a good sign, I think. I'm just doing like this, and I will rinse my hair very quickly. And you know what, guys? I'm so impressed with this mask. Oh my god, it really works so well. As you see, the hair is so shiny, so soft. And of course, I'll put it in a hair turban and leave it for 10-15 minutes. And when it comes to this hair tool, oh my god, it's so good as well. So you know what, I'm so impressed with all the products from this range, from Tsubaki. I think they are really good, but especially the mask. The mask is so good, so my first impression is, I don't know, 10 of 10. And usually after drying my hair in this hair turban, I always use a leave-in or a oil for my hair. But because today I wanna see how these products work, I will not apply anything else. And look how easily the brush goes through the hair. Oh my god, guys, you know what? Actually, when my hair is wet, I can't brush it with the brush, and I usually do it after I dry it a little bit. And this is the final result, guys. Oh my god, I'm in love with these products. Really, the mask. Oh my god, I think the mask is the best product I ever tried. Look how soft and shiny is my hair. Of course I will try it, guys, more, and I'll come with more impressions, but I can say that my first impression is so good. I'm really impressed. This was my routine. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you, and have a lovely day. Bye!